toward the garage.
I'm right behind. Now I'm underneath you.
Sorry, Leon went back downstairs, toward the garage door.
Maybe we should get Carlos. Leon will go to him.
Wait, Carlos said Leon was hungry. Maybe he wants to eat. Snack dispenser!
Some extra tasty bird seed.
This will make Leon come to us. I'll check outside. You check inside so we don't miss him.
There you are. Come on, Leon. Let's get some seeds. I'll take you back to Carlos.
Leon, here, boy. Whoa, there you are. Let's get you home to Carlos.
I got Leon!